just stick to.
Hello everyone, it's here back again with another video, and today we have the official review of the Samsung Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge Android 8.0, and the first thing that we can see over here is Wi-Fi wallpapers onto the lock screen. So you can see you can have any video that you have onto your phone as your lock screen wallpaper, so this is something really nice. So let's go to About Phone and take a look that when we go to software information, you can see that we have Android 8.0.0 with Samsung Experience version 9.0 as you can see over here, and we have the 1st of April Android security patch, which is something really nice. The whole phone is basically new. The software all around the phone is just as new. As you can see over here, we have smaller notifications, we have a lot of stuff that are new, all the icons, faster animations, and my favorite thing is the video as a lock screen wallpaper. Also, you can see that over here we can swipe to see another things that are, these are called face widgets. So you can change them by going into settings, lock screen and security, and clock and face widgets. You can see you can change the clock style onto your lock screen. So for example, if I want this one and I want to make it, for example, let's see, this kind of blue. When I lock the screen and go onto the lock screen, you can see that I have it over here. So you can basically now customize even more stuff onto your phone, which is something really amazing. And you have the adaptive color, and you can also change the color of the clock. Also, the always on display styles are over here. You have a lot of them, a lot of new one. For example, this one is new. This is my favorite one, the classic style. This is a new one that is really nice. So you can see when we go to apply and lock the screen, they are all working perfectly because this is official firmware once again, and there are really a lot of them. This one is also kind of cool. Probably I'll leave it for now. And you also can change the color, which is something that is not new. Right now, when you go to the always on display, you have only these options, and all the styling goes to clock and face widget. We don't have face unlock, we don't have it also into the smart lock function. As you can see over here on custom ROMs, you can have face unlock. You can go and check my other video for this. You can see that right now under lock screen and security, with the new update, we can see the security update, which is the 1st of April, not only into the onto the About Phone information. Another new things are under advanced features. For example, I have enabled it for Facebook, and as you can see, I have two Facebook icons so that I can log into two separate Facebook accounts if I have two. This also goes for Snapchat, Viber, Messenger, and all the social medias that you have onto your phone. So there are a lot of almost everything is new over here. There is darker colors for the quick settings toggles. You have new icons for the smart view, and I believe that this is the only new icon. So these are all the icons that you have. You also have for Spotify, if you have Spotify, the offline mode, and the nearby. So you can now snooze notifications. As you can see over here, you just swipe and you can see this bell. You can snooze it for 15, 30, 1 hour, and 2 hours. So I'll snooze it, for example, for 30 minutes. Under display, I don't believe there is something new. So yes, there isn't. Probably I want my timeout to be 2 minutes. When we go to the battery section, battery has been really good for my phone. You can see 2 hours and 17 minutes. Also new style of the battery usage, 2 hours and 17 minutes of screen on time with 48% of battery left. Something new over here is when you go, for example, to Snapchat, you can disable the background activity for certain application, which is something really nice, and you have this for every application almost. Also, when you install this update, don't forget to go to optimize battery usage. It doesn't matter on which application, and turn on everything that is over here. So there are really this is a whole lot of new stuff that you can install. When you go to, you can basically enable and disable. You have the new app icon badges that can show with number only, with dots, and also you have the home screen for show notifications. You have shortcuts, for example on gallery you can see we have search gallery. On YouTube we can go straight to search, subscription or trending. So for example I click on trending and I go straight to trending, and this goes for almost every application. You also have new widgets. For example, when we go to the widget section for the weather, we have this new widget that I'm using. You have new widget for the calendar, I believe, as well. So this is one of the new widgets. Right now I'm going to enlarge it so that you can see how it actually looks, which is really cool. You can swipe up and down for all of your applications, and you can also quick open the notification panel. You can enable that when you install a new application from the Play Store, it goes straight to the home screen, not only to the app drawer. So there are really a whole lot of bunch of new stuff that are installed with the Android 8.0 update for the Samsung Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge. So the other stuff I'm going to leave to you so that you can check them out yourself. If you want to see how to install this update before it really comes to your country, be sure to like this video, leave a comment down below to let me know that you want to see it, and click the subscribe button for more videos like this. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Peace.